Happy New Year! I'm so excited to be teaming up with Paul Eugene for this fun, effective, beginner, and senior-friendly rebounder workout. Plus, we're kicking things off with a Kensone rebounder giveaway. Let's get started with Paul's warm-up now. Remember, have fun, go at your pace, and let's make our fitness deposit into our wellness tanks together.
Hi, I'm Paul Eugene, and I'm happy to be joining Kate from Kate Home Fitness for a beginner, senior-friendly rebounding workout. Let's go bounce. A fresh new year, fresh new challenges. This is what I call my walk and bounce exercise workout. Yes, now listen up. If you have a safety bar, use it if you need to use it. Now, I like to begin with a warm-up, and my first thing is to simply just march it out right here. Now, you can hold on to the bar if you want to, or you can pump those arms. Yes. Now, give me 4 marches, 3 marches, 2 marches. Now, we're going to side step touch. You can hold the bar and you step side to side. Yes. You got it. Or bars free and step together, step apart. Yes. We're warming up. Come back to that simple march. And 4, how did you do? 3 and 2. Now let's take this march a little wide now. And 4, hold on if you need to. 3 and 2 and 1, hold right here. Now we're going to gauge our core by doing a simple spinal cord twist. We go like this. 4, 3, 2, 1, and 4 more. You can hold on. 4, 3, 2, and 1, and march. Nice. Now, how did you do? Now we're going to do what is called heel presses for our lower extremities. So give me 4 marches, 3 marches, and 2. You can hold on and heel press. 8, 7, and 6, and 5. Yes. 4, 3, and 2, and 1, and march. How did you do? Now, I believe in stretching out our awesome body. Yes, it's part of our warm-up. So, in 4, 3, and 2, now hold it right here. Now, I'm going to shift my body this way, and so are you. If you have a safety bar, you can hold on to it and just point that foot back. Sit back into a hamstring stretch for 4, and 3, and 2, and 1. Nice. Come up and march. How did you do? Now let's turn our body the other direction. We're going to do the same thing on this side. If you need to hold on to the bar, hold on to the bar. If not, you're just going to find that balance right here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice. Come up and march. How did you do? Now we're going to do what I call a nice stretch for our back. So step to our right and our left. Our knees are bent, engaging our core. If you have the bar, you can grab the bar and hinge from your waist, coming forward, but keep the head up and hold it. If you don't have a bar and you got your balance, hold right here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's roll it up for 4, 3, shoulders down, relax, nice, and walk it in. Well, that was our warm-up and pre-stretch. Now let's get our health bounce and walk on.
Let's get some gentle kicks in. With or without the bounce, you do you. If you're without the bounce, you're here. If you have the bounce going, you're here with me. Excellent. Core in tight. Shoulders backing down away from your ears. Kick, 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 kick.
Let's walk out for 4, 3, yes, 2. Now take a little wider and hold now, health, bounce, bounce, just bounce. If you need to hold on, but bounce. Have fun, yes. You can shake your head, yes. And I love it so much. And 4, 3, and 2, simply walk it back in.
High knee, high knee. Alternating. You can incorporate the bounce or not. You're still on an unsteady surface. You're still challenging your body. Holding onto the U-bar, or if you have a T-bar, AKA stability bar, or you're here if you're ready to take it to the next level. For you, your way.
For 4, 3, how did you do? 2, now our narrow health bounce, right here, just pressing down into our trampoline. If you need to hold on, and 4, 3, 2, 1. Now, march. I like to mix up the walking and the march together. Yes. Now, ladies and gentlemen, take that march back wide. For 4, 3, we're moving on. 2, how are you?
Excellent move, Paul. Front toe taps. Wasn't that great? I just love his energy. Front toe tap. Alternate, alternate, alternate. Breathe it out. Excellent.
Hold now, health bounce, right there. Now we're gonna cause the heart rate to climb up by arms going up, 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 up. Yes, right there. And 4, 3, 2, arms down and keep the bounce. How did you do? Yes.
All right, we tapped in front, now we're tapping behind. Tap back, yeah. Bounce, tap back, bounce, and tap it back. Core in tight. It's very important to train in all different planes of motion, front, side, back, balance everything out, right?
Can we add a new challenge? Certainly, we can. You keep the health bounce and watch me this time. Up, out, pressing up, out. Join me if you haven't. Pressing up, out. That's it, right there. Engage in your core. Give me 4, 3, 2, and 1, arms down, and keep the health bounce right here.
Let's try some balancing. Holding onto your bar. We'll do 15 seconds here, 15 seconds on the other leg. If you can release, try and release. You're gonna feel that standing leg and carefully switch. Breathe. Excellent. Try and again, release if you can. I don't know your body, only you know your body.
Now, narrow health bounce. Bounce. Pressing in to the trampoline. Yes. Now I'm gonna add some arms to this. I'm gonna give you 2 options. You can hold on with 1 arm and go up, down, alternating, up, down, or no, hold on and just bounce and bounce. Yes, we got it. Give Paul 4, 3, 2, and 1, and march, march.
Side to side, leg levers. Don't hold your breath. Breathe. You should still be able to talk to me here. If you're too far out of breath, I want you to return to a health bounce. Pick it up when you're ready. Let's go into a gentle health bounce before Paul leads us into our cool down. Holding onto your bar, pushing down evenly distribute your weight between each foot, push down into the mat, catch your breath. How did you like that workout? I just think it's a blast. Head to toe workout, coordination, everything in between. So much fun. Thank you so much, Paul. And get ready, he's gonna take us into our cool down now.
How did you do? I think you were awesome. Well, ladies and gentlemen, this was just a short health and walk bounce. It's time for me to what? Bring us down. No more bouncing. We just marching it out. Don't pump the arms. Just leave them alongside your body so that our heart rate can start to come down. And 4, 3, yes, and 2, and 1. Now hold right here. Now what we're gonna do next is tap side to side, right here. Just tapping the rim of your trampoline, yes. If you don't need to hold on, just let the bar go, right there. Give Paul 4 more, 3 more, 2 more, and 1 more, and come back to that nice, easy march right here. Now we're gonna go to our lower extremities. We're gonna do those heel presses. Remember, if you need to hold on to the bar, hold on to the bar. If not, join me. Heel, heel press. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, good job, 2, and 1, and march, march. How did you do? Now it's time to what? Stretch out our awesome body. So give me 4 light marches, 3, and 2, and 1. Hold right here. Now what we're gonna do here is stretch out our hamstrings. If you need to hold on to the bar, hold on. I'm just gonna step that foot up. I'm gonna sit back, and the hamstring's gonna stretch. With no bar, just hold right here for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Nice, come up. Excellent. Now bring that foot in and take the other foot out. Nice and long. Sit back. Remember, the bar is an option. Hold it for 4, 3, yes, 2, and 1. Nice. Come up and bring that leg in. Now from here, ladies and gentlemen, we're going to stretch out our calves, but all we're going to do is simple calf raises. If you need to hold on the bar, hold on. We're just simply going to go up on those toes and lower, up on the toes and lower. If you don't need the bar, that's it. Up and lower. Give me 4 more, 3 more. I feel my stretch, 2 more, my calf stretching, and last 1. Nice. Now let's just kick those legs out for a little bit right here. How did you do? And we got 1 more stretch to do, and that is for our lower back. Nice. Take a wide stance here, and our knees are bent, engaging our core. Your hands could be on the bar or on your legs, never on your knees. Hinge forward, keeping your heads up, smiling for 4, 3, 2, and 1. Let's roll it up. Nice. Relax those shoulders down, smile, and walk it in. Well, there you go. My walk and health bounce. Here's what you need to do. Grab some water to rehydrate your body and go forth and have a super blessed day. I'll see you next time.